video which is based on pronouns and its types. Pronouns directly and indirectly related to nouns. If you have not watched my video on nouns, so please watch it, because if you know about the nouns, you can understand well about the pronouns, its meaning and its uses. So let's start. What is pronoun? Pronoun means a word that takes the place of a noun. It means pronouns are commonly used in place of a noun. वो शब्द जिनको हम नाउन की जगह यूज करते हैं. यू नो वेरी वेल व्हाट इज नाउन. नाउन मीन्स नेमिंग वर्ड्स. तो यहाँ हम नेमिंग वर्ड्स की जगह कुछ ऐसे स्पेशल वर्ड्स हैं हमारे पास जिनका हम यूज करते हैं और हमारे वाक्य का मतलब भी या उसका मीनिंग भी चेंज नहीं होता है. सिर्फ नेमिंग वर्ड्स की जगह हम कुछ स्पेसिफिक वर्ड्स का यूज करते हैं. दोज आर कॉल्ड प्रोनाउन. लेट्स चेक in these sentences, in these examples. In the first example, you can see John smiled. In this sentence, we are using noun. Now, John is the name of a boy, that is naming word. But in the next sentence, you can see he smiled. I have not used in this sentence John. I am using the word he. He word refers to the John. यहाँ पे जो he है वो हम John के लिए यूज कर रहे हैं, यानी हम बात जॉन की ही कर रहे हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे हम डायरेक्टली जॉन का नाम यूज नहीं कर रहे हैं. इसकी जगह हमने यूज किया है वर्ड ही. सो ही इज प्रोनाउन. लेट्स चेक नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस. द गर्ल स्माइल्ड. द गर्ल, दैट इज नाउन, नेमिंग वर्ड. बट इन नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस यू कैन सी आई हैव रिटन हियर शी स्माइल्ड. सो शी इज प्रोनाउन, दैट is used instead of noun, instead of the girl. So pronouns are commonly used in place of a noun. Pronouns are words that replace noun or noun phrases. There are 7 different types of pronouns classified according to their meaning and use. यानी हर pronoun का अपना एक use है, उसका किस तरीके से यूज किया जाएगा, एंड व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ ईच टाइप ऑफ प्रोनाउन, दैट वी विल चेक इन आवर नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. फर्स्ट इज पर्सनल प्रोनाउन. A word that is used to replace a noun that refers to a person or thing. It means the pronoun which we used instead of the name of a person or name of a thing. यहाँ हम व्यक्ति और चीज़ों के नाम की जगह कुछ शब्दों का यूज करते हैं जिनको हम पर्सनल प्रोनाउन कहते हैं. यू कैन सी इन द गिवन सेंटेंस, मर्सी वेंट टू द मार्केट एंड शी बॉट ब्रेड. In the first sentence at the starting we have used the name of the girl Mercy, but next sentence we have used she, and she word refers to the Mercy. यहाँ पे she शब्द का यूज Mercy के लिए ही हुआ है, जिसमें हमने उसका नाम यूज ना करके she word का यूज किया है. Now there is a list of personal pronoun. You can see the pronouns that we are used as a subject and how can we use in object, subjective form and objective form, singular and plural. So the pronouns which refer to the person speaking are called pronouns of the first person, like I, we, me, us. The pronouns which refer to the person or persons spoken to, जिससे हम बात कर रहे हैं, are called second person, like you, yours. Next, the pronouns which refer to the person or thing spoken of, जिस व्यक्ति या वस्तु के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं, that is called third person, such as he, she, they, them, her, him. So please you check this list. It is very important whenever you use personal pronoun. Next is reflexive pronoun. What is reflexive pronoun? I think you can understand by the word reflexive. So a reflexive pronoun refers to the subject and directs the action of the verb back to the subject. Means a reflexive pronoun is a pronoun which refers back to the subject of a sentence, and it contains self and selves. In singular form we use self, In plural, we use selves. He hurt himself while playing. So himself is a reflexive pronoun which refers back to the subject, means he. And he is singular, that's why we have added here self. And they, in the second sentence you can check, they is the plural form and we have used here selves, themselves. Now we have one more list that is related to the reflexive pronoun, subjective pronoun, and what is that their reflexive pronoun. So please you check the list very carefully. For I, that is singular, these are the singular pronoun. For I, what is the reflexive pronoun? Myself. For you, yourself. For he, himself. Not his self. कभी कभी बच्चे ये गलती भी कर देते हैं, his self लगा देते हैं. No, himself. She, herself, and for it, itself. In plural form, when our pronouns are in plural, so we use like that we, ourselves, you, yourselves, and they, themselves. Next is demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronouns means demonstration. Generally हम जब किसी चीज़ को दिखाते हैं, जब उसका demonstration करते हैं, we point out. We point out. So in demonstrative pronoun we use the word this, that, these, and those. A demonstrative pronoun points out a specific person, place, thing, or idea. And for in demonstrative pronoun we use word, those are called the demonstrative pronoun, these, that, those, and this. This and these refer to things near at hand, जो चीज़ें आपके पास हैं. आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं, you can see in the picture, these apples, their arrow, the size of arrow is small. It means that is near at hand. In this, near at hand, these, and next is that and those refer to things lying at a distance, जो चीज़ें हमसे दूर होती हैं. This and that we use in singular form. These and those we use in plural form. But this we use near at hand, या this we use to things which are near at hand, and that we use for things which are lying at a distance, जो हमसे दूर हैं. और यही केस those और these में होता है, जो चीज़ें हमसे पास हैं लेकिन एक से ज़्यादा है, more than one. So in this case we use these. These books are mine. Those books are mine. So जो हम यहाँ पे दोस का यूज़ कर रहे हैं, इसका मतलब हम बता रहे हैं ये किताबें मेरे से दूर हैं. That's why we are using those. Next is interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns are also called the detective pronoun. Why? Because with help of them, speaker find information by asking questions. We use in that what, which, who, whom, whose. So who, whom, and whose are used for asking questions about person. Next, what is used for asking questions about things, and which is used for asking a question about the particular person or thing. So interrogative pronouns are used for asking questions. Now we have a quiz. In that quiz you will get some interesting questions, questions based on the pronouns. So please you solve this question and check your knowledge about the pronouns. Your time starts now. That is the first sentence. Next is choose the correct option. This question is based on demonstrative pronoun. Last but not least, yes, this question is based on interrogative pronoun. I hope you have enjoyed this video and try to understand the meaning of pronoun and its uses, and you have played the quiz. Definitely it will be helpful for your knowledge, to check your knowledge about the pronoun. So thank you very much.